As you see, the Humsienk 12,000 plus. Just kind of show you the quick bottom here. You got your AC out and in here with your breaker. You got your Wi-Fi, your USB, your communication cables, your parallel connections if you do multiple inverters. Looks very well made. Everything's glued down. Everything's torqued. See some torque lines there, some lines. PV cables, nice and thick PV cables over here. Like I said, here's your communication board down here. And then all your, I really like that your AC cables are labeled here. AC out L1, L2, AC out neutral that I had right there. And as you see, 13.3 volts coming in from solar at 552 watts there. And you can kind of see this display. This display is really, really nice. The voltage off the batteries there, 52.8, and it's sending power of 422 watts over to, well, actually, see, so the power I'm using here in the shop is 427 watts, but the power it's actually sending out is 85 watts. I haven't explored it a whole lot, but I already got it downloaded and everything, and it pretty much mirrors that. And as you can see, it tells you the battery, 61%. Solar's coming in at 584 watts. I'm pulling nothing from the grid. UPS load, 159 watts, and it's consuming 159 watts. Tells you the temperature. Gives you some other things. Pretty cool app. This is Wi-Fi, so you can use it pretty much anywhere in the world.